Dealing with smoke smell in clothes can be tough. Smoke particles are incredibly tiny and can deeply embed themselves in fabric fibers. And sometimes washing alone isn't enough. Fortunately, OdoBan eliminates smoke odors, including odors caused by smoke damage, tobacco smoke, and more. And OdoBan is safe to use on washable fabrics when used as directed. In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of those smoke odors on clothing and fabrics. And stay tuned till the end, where I'll show you how to remove those tough odors caused by smoke damage. Hey guys, Kevin here. Welcome back to the OdoBan channel, where we share cleaning tips to help you make life fresh. Before we get started, here are a couple of quick safety reminders. Never mix OdoBan with any cleaning products or chemicals. Always use OdoBan as directed on the label. Don't measure OdoBan with measuring cups used for food and drink. Clothes that have been around smoke for even a short time can carry a persistent smoke odor, whether it's from tobacco smoke or a campfire. Fortunately, OdoBan ready-to-use spray can be used to freshen and deodorize coats, jackets, and other clothing between washings. Here's how. Step 1. Lay the smoke-exposed clothes on a flat, clean surface. Step 2. After testing a small, inconspicuous area of the fabric for color fastness, evenly apply a light spray of OdoBan ready to use onto exterior fabric surfaces, ensuring to spray any areas where odors persist. Pro tip: be sure to pay extra attention to areas like collars, cuffs, and underarms, where smoke particles tend to accumulate. Step 3. After treating, hang these items and allow them to air dry completely before wearing. When added to that final rinse cycle, OdoBan controls bad odors in laundry, softens, and eliminates static cling without damaging fibers. Here's how to remove stubborn smoke odors on clothing using OdoBan in the laundry. Step 1. Before washing, add 8 ounces of OdoBan concentrate to your washer's fabric softener compartment, not the bleach compartment. If this compartment will not hold 8 full ounces, use as much as your compartment will hold. If you don't have a fabric softener compartment, you could just simply add OdoBan during the final rinse cycle. Step 2. Wash the clothing as normal, using regular laundry detergent. Step 3. Dry the clothes immediately after washing, either by air drying or using a dryer. For stronger odors, repeat the process until the smoke smell is completely gone. What about odors on clothing caused by smoke damage? Trusted for fire restoration efforts, OdoBan is excellent for eliminating tough odors resulting from smoke damage. Here's how to use OdoBan to treat and deodorize smoke-damaged clothing. To get started, here's what you'll need. OdoBan concentrate, a measuring cup, and a container to soak the clothes. Step 1. To prepare the OdoBan solution, mix 1 part OdoBan concentrate with 3 parts of water in a large container. Step 2. Submerge the smoke-damaged clothes in the solution and make sure that they are fully covered. Let those clothes soak overnight. Step 3. Remove the clothes and rinse them thoroughly with clean water to remove any residue. Step 4. Wash the clothes as usual in your washing machine with regular detergent. During the final rinse cycle, add 8 ounces or 1 cup of OdoBan concentrate for additional deodorizing. Step 5. Dry the clothes immediately after washing, either by air drying or using a dryer. For very strong set-in odors, you may need to repeat this process a few times until the smoke smell is completely gone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below.
Before you go, here are a few more helpful videos you should definitely check out. And if you like this video and want more of the best fun, free cleaning tips and how-tos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so you'll always know whenever we post a new video.